Is it time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Google. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 11th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 5th of March, 2025, our system has identified Google as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.74. Now let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock faced a decline of 5.19%. This results in an average daily loss of 1.04% since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decline of approximately 11% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -11% to 6.5%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 15.25%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 14.13% to 46.87% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $187.21 and $240.93. Our latest daily update for Google includes the headline, "Weaker technical forecast for Google as stock downgraded to strong sell candidate." The Google stock price fell by 1.1% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 11th of March, 2025. The price decreased from $165.87 to $164.04. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.33%, with a low of $161.37 and a high of $166.75. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 6.49% over this period. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is a positive indicator, as volume should generally follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 6 million shares, with a total of 38 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $6.17 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $207.05, while the lowest was $137.03. Currently, the price stands at 20.77%, or $43.01, below the 52-week high, and 93.3%, or $2,284.88, below the all-time high reached on the 14th of June, 2021, when the price peaked at $2,448.92. The Nasdaq Composite has entered correction territory, down over 10% from its recent peak, impacting tech stocks broadly, including Alphabet, also known as Google. This sell-off may prompt investors to reassess their positions, creating potential buying opportunities for long-term value investors during this dip. In a strategic move, Google recently revealed its investment in Anthropic, a high-profile artificial intelligence company where it holds a 14% stake. This development underscores Google's commitment to advancing AI technologies, likely enhancing investor sentiment regarding Google's long-term growth potential in the artificial intelligence space. Additionally, Alphabet's self-driving division, Waymo, continues to expand its robotaxi service, now covering parts of Silicon Valley. This expansion could boost Waymo's valuation and contribute positively to Google's overall market perception. In the short term, these developments may temper immediate stock volatility, keeping investor interest alive as part of the Magnificent Seven group. However, if the correction persists, there could be pressure on Google's stock price in the near term. Over the long haul, if Google's artificial intelligence and autonomous driving initiatives prove successful, the fundamentals supporting Google's valuation could strengthen significantly. Analyst ratings. On Friday, January 10, 2025, it was reported that KeyBank assigned Google an overweight grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, January 7, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned Google a neutral grade with a hold action. On Friday, January 3rd, 2025, it was reported that Wolf Research assigned Google an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, January 2nd, 2025, it was reported that JMP Securities assigned Google a market perform grade with a downgrade action. On Thursday, November 21st, 2024, it was reported that UBS assigned Google a neutral grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Google stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. However, when it comes to return on investment, analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Google. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Google stock is showing sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which indicates a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is anticipated at the levels of $169.58 and $184.89. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued following a pivot top point on Tuesday, February 4th, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 20.52%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is currently indicated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically should align with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal, pivots, sell signal from 25 days ago, Bollinger, buy signal from 9 days ago, short-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago, long-term moving average, sell signal from 25 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 21 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 25 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 14 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages showed a buy signal 5 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to explore more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Google. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. If conditions are unfavorable, the stock may face significant declines in the coming days. This stock typically experiences average daily movements, and with sufficient trading volume, the risk level is regarded as medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $5.38 between its highest and lowest points, equating to a 3.33% change. In the last week, the stock has displayed an average daily volatility of 2.87%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Google, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, frequently observed in businesses with long-established track records or stable revenues. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 24th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $2.02. It is wise to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's explore some potential day trading levels for Google. In the event of an upward trend, the initial resistance level for Google stands at $185.20. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be an important point to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below this level, indicating that the stock could potentially experience a sharp decline under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for Google from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 5th of March, 2025, Ashkenazi Anat conducted an insider purchase of 121,779 shares of Class C Google stock units. On the same day, Schindler Philip made an insider purchase of 143,270 shares of Class C Google stock units. Also on the 5th of March, 2025, Walker John Kent conducted an insider purchase of 116,407 shares of Class C Google stock units. On the 3rd of March, 2025, Porrett Ruth made an insider purchase of 800,000 shares of Class C capital stock. On that same day, Porrett Ruth also conducted an insider sale of 800,000 shares of Class C capital stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that insider activity has a positive power with a ratio of 23.440. Overall, insiders purchased 2,886,640 shares and sold 1,781,051 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss set. Is Google stock a good buy? Google currently shows several negative indicators and is within a broad and declining trend. As a result, we anticipate that it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our assessment of this stock from a sell to a strong sell. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 12th of March, we expect Google to open higher by a fraction of a cent and start trading at $164.05. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments section. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.